shopping?
Who's paying the lunch?
Oh yeah, sige, compromise.
So
Good morning, guys. Today is the day.
Yesterday was VE day and I forgot even though I knew it was
What's VE means?
Victory in Europe.
Yeah, victory in Europe. So what did you do? Did you make a 2-minute silence? Last day, everyone is still noisy? Not any chance that
You mean like
everyone
yesterday?
is... Yeah.
Yeah,
Quiet or just normal?
normal.
Really? Because at work, guys, at 12 noon, we have to stop working, and even the customer, they have to stop doing shopping. No music, no talking, just 2 minutes quiet, silence. 2 minutes silence. So today, kasi si Mr. guys, may check-up siya sa doktor. Last Tuesday, nagpa-annual blood test siya. So ngayon, meron siyang check-up. So ngayon, dapat off ko. Tayo'y maglalaba na naman. Tapos, ako maghatid kay Georgie ngayon. Georgie, love, no?
I don't even know what he's saying in Tagalog, so yeah.
So today is my day off. I'm supposed to stay at home and Daddy will take you to school. But what happened?
Oh yeah, Daddy has to go to the hospital
Yeah.
and he had to drop me off. Which I'm fine with that because it's just like Wednesday and Thursday.
It's just like normal day with us now. Tapos shopping tayo. Food shopping.
So what you did?
Let's get ready first.
Hi, little sister.
Georgie, where's your love? Your lip gloss here.
It's in the lip balm bag.
How can I borrow it? I borrow this?
Yeah.
Try natin to, guys. Watermelon, no?
It's honey balm. Hold on. I need it. Oh.
Buckle up, girl.
Okay.
Why it's Miss
Mommy, did you not have any lipstick on?
lip balm only? Because you said last time that, Mommy, you don't need to wear lipstick.
Oh yeah.
But I can put another lip balm that has color. The color cherry red.
What I mean is, because you always put stuff on your mouth.
Huh?
Don't you want to, baby?
Don't need you not. Bit chilly today. Let me do high first. The one that you got has no color. Yeah, this one has a little bit color. Want this? Later now when I stop, I get to your school. Yeah. Alright. You wanna look brand new?
Yeah, like what? Last time I bought a watch to school was actually my unicorn watch and way different, and it hurt so much. I didn't bring it, so I wanted something new.
Okay. Let's get ready. And guys, see you guys. Update later. Dito na kami guys. Mga aga namin. Anong oras na ba? What time is it on your watch, Georgie? What time on your watch?
The big hat's on 3 and the small hat's on the 8.
So that would be... What time is it?
40 past 8?
Huh?
40 past 8?
No? 8:15. Is that what you say?
What the?
8:15, yeah?
Oh.
8:15.
Oh.
Just say 8:15.
8:15.
Yeah. Kasi guys, dito kasi guys, pag magsabi ka ng oras, ang tawag nito? Pag 8:05, 8:05, mga ganyan, 8:10, 8:15, 8:30, pag 8:30, tapos 8:45, that's 8:45. So, masasanay ka talaga guys, kasi nung dati naalala ko, nung interview ko ba, tinanong ako nung nag-interview sa akin na,
Look at the camera.
tinanong ko sa nag-interview sa akin kung ano daw preferred time to start ko ba, kasi pag may anak ka kasi, diba, nabanggit ko ito long time ago sa old vlog ko na they will consider if you got a kid below 10 years old. So sila yung parang sila mag-adjust. So kaya tinanong ako kung anong oras ako gusto mag-start. So sabi ko, my daughter start her school at 9 o'clock. So by the time I drop her first, kasi that time isa lang sakyan namin, tapos malapit lang kami sa school ni Georgie, no? So sabi ko sa kanya dati, after I drop her off, give me like 15 minutes to walk to work. So dito sa may sa may woodlands. So ayan, so sabi niya, okay, you can start 9:45. Sa isip ko lang, anong 9:45?
Wait, did you just say woodlands?
Yeah, I mean woods.
Oh.
Woodlands. So sabi ko, no, pwede ako mag-start ng 9:30 kasi 15 minutes lang naman. Sabi niya, no, but just to make sure that you won't be late. So 9:45. Sinulat ko talaga guys. Sabi ko, can you tell me what time is 9:45? He said 9:45. I said, okay, I'm so sorry because, we are Filipino. We used to say like 9:50, 9:45, So, yun pala yung English way pag magsabi sila ng time. Kaya, ayan. New, na naman tayo. Bagong kaalaman, char. Akala mo, malaking kaalaman. Hindi kasi pag, malay nyo, makakapunta kayo dito, di ba? Tapos, syempre, iba kasi yung dito yung language nila, may talaga sila, deep English. Or we'll say, anong tawag niyan? Yun nga, mga local language nila, di ba? So, ayan. Anyway, i-message ko muna si Mr. na sabihin, nandito na kami. Kasi yan talaga routine namin, guys. Papaalam yung pag nakarating ka na safe. Kasi pag hindi ka nag-message, magtatampo yun. Tampururot siya. Hindi, nakasanayan na talaga namin yun guys. Kahit nung magjowa pa kami, kahit long distance relationship kami, talagang sinasabi namin, dito paalis ako, nandito na kami, ganyan. Pero, hindi kami yung, ay, kumain ka na ba? Na, anong kinakain mo? Ganyan. Not really cheesy. Lalo na ngayon, matagal na kaming kasal, like mag 11 years na bahala na. Parang normal lang. Hey brother, anong kayain mo? Ayan. Basa man kilikili ko mainit itong damit na to. Ayan guys, na-drop na natin si Georgie So, we'll see you at home. Bahay na tayo guys. Nakasalubong ko si Mr. papunta siya ng office. Office? Doktor ba? Check up niya. So, we're going for shopping, guys. Ayan, dumating na si Daddy.
Oh, so lovely. Yeah, we're going shopping.
Food shopping.
We need food.
Yeah.
It's an exciting day. Oh. And then we're going for lunch at the pub.
Oh, yeah. Nag-book pala si Mr. ng guys. Lunch date namin. Para lang magluto.
Hey. Lunch day. Ooh.
But I need to go for dinner now because Georgie don't have piano today. So we just take our time.
Movie night.
Movie night.
Cocktails and beer.
Yeah. So who's paying the shopping?
Who's paying the lunch?
Oh yeah, sige, compromise.
So I'll pay the lunch because I booked it. And you can pay the shopping.
No, you pay the shopping. I pay the lunch.
Okay. I don't mind.
Yeah. Because I paid the shopping last time eh.
Okay.
Yeah.
I,
Explain ko sa inyo guys why we have to pay.
well,
No, because our financial now is different in Dubai.
yeah, because you earn more than me now.
Yeah, so ayan, so chika natin yun mamaya about who's paying. Ganito ba talaga yung mga lokal?
Whoever's got the most money in the bank at the day pays the money.
But he paid more.
Yeah, but I don't have any money left.
No. Dito na tayo guys, the mall. It's not the mall, it's the town.
Shopping centre.
Shopping center. Kapit lang kami sa guys, sa Tesco. Kaya lang mas comfortable namin yung old place kung saan kami nag-work. Kasi si Georgie ayaw mag-transfer to other school. So no problem din So andito na tayo sa loob guys. Which one is cheaper? If you get the small one, Highlands, that's 12.
This is 4.30
£4.30.
4.8 per 100 mil, and this one is 6.7 per 100 mil.
So that's cheaper.
This is still cheaper.
Yeah. Okay, we choose by budgeting. We choose the cheap one. Strawberry daiquiri na lang. Do daiquiri and daiquiri and mojito.
29th.
It's alright. It won't end up 29. I will eat it all. And let's get buns daddy so we can get a burger something.
Oh, we got some at work last night.
Yeah, but I want a soft one. Oh, that's...
Just drop it. Got me a chunky.
Sige, get that one. Chunky mushroom. Oh, how much is it? Because they reduced, look, oh. We never
Lloyd
tried it.
Grossman. I don't know if I want Lloyd Grossman's.
And guys, medyo madami-dami tayong nilagay na wala sa listahan. Kasi siya ang magbayad. Kaya natin, sulitin. Take advantage. You want it, Daddy, oh? Is that Korean?
I don't know.
It's on sale.
30 minutes. You haven't got no beef ones.
So, punta tayo dito sa may guys, sa may stool. Isa gitna. Kasi bili tayo ng plantain banana para magbilo-bilo tayo kasi baka pupunta yung aking kababata dadalaw sa amin. Sana meron silang plantain banana. Ayun. Ay. Ada, yun.
Lovely.
How much is this? Yeah.
150 for you.
Yep. Ang daming mga guys, mga retired people, nagchichill lang, bilad sila sa araw. So, dito natin sa bahay guys, no? So, ito yung ating napamili. 4 bags, kasi yung iba nasa nasa garage. Ay, garage!
Garage.
Nasa shed pala, shed.
Meal.
No, it's alright. We don't need.
I'm going to put it in the freezer.
Oh yeah.
I'll put it in the freezer.
Put it away.
Put it away. Put it away.
Guys, ito lang yung listahan namin. Naming biniling extra. So, ang nabayaran ni Mr. is... ang total is 161.44 pounds. Tapos, savings minus 24.92, promotions 19.76, tapos colleague discount or staff discount is 15 pounds 16. So ayan, so from 161 down to 136, so nakasave tayo ng 24 pound 92. Ayan, so kaya budget talaga guys, kasi kung sabi nga nila kung magkano yung kinikita mo, dapat isang ayon or i-ayon sa lifestyle. So, bumili ako nito. Masarap to eh. Kaya baka magtaka kayo guys, dalawa fridge namin, fridge freezer. Kasi, yung ano kasi guys, yung isa, small yun. Nung pagbili namin ng bahay na ito, built-in na yun, yung fridge freezer. Tapos nung tinignan ko, maliit kasi siya. So, mas gusto ko kasi yung medyo malaki kasi para makapag-stock kami ng frozen food. Kasi we will never know ba. Kasi may stock ka na na pagkain sa fridge freezer. So, kaya ito, hindi ko talaga siya nilit ko kasi bago pa to eh. Tapos pag ibenta kasi, bargain na lang siya, kaya sayang. So sabi ko, gawa ng paraan. Kasi dapat pintuan yung likod na yan eh. Sinarado na lang namin. Ano yung pinto na yan? Dapat yung sa likod nito, pintuan yan eh. Kumbaga, yan eh, labasan papuntang lounge. So, 2 pinto. Shortcut pa lounge. Kasi pag dito ka dadaan, pa lounge din, kailang dadaan ka pa ng kitchen door. Pag dito, diretso ka na sa lounge. So, kaya dinlock namin dito para makapag-give space dito sa table kasi malaki tong table eh, extendable table to eh. So, nilipat namin to dito para may enough space kami total. Hindi naman, gamit yung kabilang pinto kasi may access naman so kaya binlock namin. Kaya, kinip ko tong fridge freezer. Yung sa kuryente naman, okay naman yung yung bill. Kunti lang naman yung difference. So dito, ayan yung mga drinks. Yan. Sa ngayon, medyo puno yan konti. Kasi nakapag-grocery tayo, pero most of the time, empty talaga yan. Tapos yung freezer. Yan. Skinny lang siya, pero the whole side is freezer. Tapos dito ang fridge. Pakita ko sa inyo yung isa ha. Yung built-in kasi, ayan yung fridge. Ayan, maliit lang siya, di ba? Ito, okay lang yung size nito, pero hindi talaga siya enough pag mag-stock ka ng fresh meat. Tapos yung freezer, ayan, maliit lang siya. Tapos, ayan mababaw lang. So, hindi kasya yung, kasi may mga tuyo, may tuyo ako dyan, tapos mga fish, hipon. So, kaya hiniwalay.
What about Auntie's house? Mommy and Cassie, they're good.
So, nandito na tayo guys sa pub. Mag-lunch na kami ni Mr. Hindi namin natapos yung movie kasi malilate kami sa aming booking.
That's just an extra special board.
Ha? Yan na yung order namin guys. Aba, si Mr. excited sa yan. Steak and nail pie. As usual, fish and chips.
Whoa, whoa.
Lip sync means you shut up.
Hi guys! Ayan, bahay na tayo guys. Nakauwi na kami ni Mr. Tap. Ayan, pagka-uwi, nagsampay ng nilabhan. Tapos si Mr. Nun, umalis na magsundo kay Georgie. Hindi na ako sumama dahil meron daw parcel parating semester. So anyway, ano natin, talakayin natin, no? Diba? Talakayin natin about sa split bills. Okay. So sa amin kasi guys, sa amin lang to ha. Sa ngayon, hindi, compare ko lang ha. Dati sa Dubai, hindi kami nag-split bills. Kasi semester lang naman yung may trabaho. Lahat ng mga bayarin doon sa Dubai, saka sa kanya nakapangalan. So anyway, kasi doon hindi kailangan ng credit score. So doon, tumatanggap lang tayo ng allowance. Pero, hindi yung, kasi sa European kasi, hindi na ugali yung ibigay lahat ng sahod nila sa meses nila. So, talagang binibigyan lang nila ng budget sa bahay, budget sa pagkain, sa ganyan. Depende sa pag-uusap ng mag-asawa. So, ngayon nandito na kami sa UK, guys. Dahil dito, kailangan mo magkaroon ng credit score. Ano ba yung credit score? Yun yung mag-build up yung mo, credit score para in the future, you'll never know na kailangan mong mag-mortgage, or kailangan mong bumili ng sasakyan. Lalo na ako kasi hindi naman tayo lokal, hindi tayo British. So, kailangan natin mag-build up ng credit score. Kahit nga yung mga lokal kailangan na mag-build up ng credit score. Kasi, lalo na yung mga British na matagal na hindi nakatira dito. As in, back to zero yan sila. Kailangan na mag-earn ng credit score. So, anyway, dahil 3 years na kami dito sa England, so, since nakapagtrabaho na ako, ako ang nagpresenta na ako, sa akin manggagaling yung pera para bayaran yung bill. So, since na nakabili kami ng bahay, ako na yung nagbabayad sa sa mortgage, sa gas, electric, water, tapos car insurance, car maintenance, tapos tapos basta yung kay Mr. yung binabayaran niya is mobile niya at saka mobile ni Georgie, tapos TV license, Netflix, Amazon Prime, ganyan. So mostly sa akin nagagaling yung direct debit kasi hindi kami wala kaming credit card, direct debit kami. So anyway, so every time na mag-grocery kami, guys, kasi minsan talagang para sino magbabayad? Ikaw na, kasi yung sahod ko nandoon na, napunta na sa bayarin. Kay Mr. naman kasi ang sa kanya, sa sahod niya, yun nga, yung kunting bayarin, tapos nagta-transfer kasi siya ng savings for Georgie. Ayun guys, kaya tapos pagkakain kami, minsan, sino na lang mag-o-offer, o sino, ako na magbayad, o sige, kung sino yung nag-book, o sige na, siya na magbayad. So anyway, today, dahil siya nagbayad ng grocery, ako nagbayad ng lunch namin, which is 33 pounds. So, okay lang din, kasi normally, pag lumalabas kasi kami, si Mr. pag mga gala namin, di ba ako sa mga main bills, tapos si Mr. pag gagala kami, siyang magbabayad. So, parang patas lang. Pero, we don't have any issue about money. Kasi napapag-usapan yan Hindi namin pinag-aawayan yung pera. Napag-uusapan lang. Minsan, para lang talaga kami yung bata na, uy, ikaw nagbayad. Uy, kasi wala na naman yung bangko ko. Ganyan. O sige, magbigay ako, mag-transfer ako. Ganun lang. Ang magkapatid. Para lang kami magkapatid na, uy, ikaw naman, ganyan. Ganyan lang. Pero ang ko sa sa ibang couple, mas sa ibang couple kasi, ang base ko lang din sa mga narinig ko din, ang lalaki talaga ang more on budget or naggaganon sa pera. Tapos, yun din, split din sila ng split din sila ng mga bayarin. I think ganun lang talaga siguro ang setup pag European. Malaki talaga kaibahan sa ating mga Pilipino. So anyway, so ganun na yung masasabi ko about sa split the bills. We really do. We really split the bills. not really 50-50. Pero ano yun sa akin, it's my choice. Kasi para sa akin, it's time to give back. Kahit sabihin, pera niya, pera mo, alam mo yun? Ako kasi marunong akong, alam mo yung parang utang na loob. Kahit sabihin, sige, asawa mo yan Pero parang malaking pasalamat ko kasi sa kanya kasi talagang mas ibang buhay ko ngayon kaysa nung sa Pinas. Masarap sa pakiramdam na na nakakapag-contribute ka. Alam mo yan? Hindi kayong palamunin. Alam mo yan? So anyway, opinion ko lang yan. So, ayan, end ko na yung video at ako'y manonood ng aking program sa Netflix. So, mega shout out sa aking walang sawang supporter, Michi Manalo and Marisalas. As in, ang bago pa lang ngayon sa YouTube is meron silang yung sa communities, yung talagang regular na nagko-comment na talagang natatrack nandun silang dalawa. Merong the rest mga ibang lahi. Pero hindi kasi sila nagko-comment So anyway guys, thanks for watching guys. Have a lovely weekend ahead. Bye-bye.